I have issues with my voice. My voice cracks so easily. What should I do? If your voice cracks easily, there could be different things that have caused it to keep cracking. And those things could be improper technique, infection, it could be allergies, it could be a health issue, it could be acid reflux, it could even be misuse of the voice or overuse of the voice. It could even be dehydration. I'm going to give you tips that will help you to improve your voice and avoid voice cracks if that's the problem you have. The first thing is you need to stay hydrated. You need to have this water. And make sure you drink it regularly if you sing that. This should be your favorite drink. You need to always make sure you are hydrated. And if you're going to take anything that is going to dehydrate you, make sure you take a lot of water or things that will help to hydrate you, to make your vocal folds very effective. The next thing you need to do is to warm up your voice. You need to warm up properly and rightly. And you need to know what you're warming up. You don't just go and pick random warm-up exercises you see in the internet and start to do. What is that exercise doing for you? So whatever warm-up you're doing, make sure you know what it's doing for you and make sure you're doing it correctly. So you need to make sure you warm up your voice. You need to make sure that after singing, you cool down your voice. Okay? And then you need to get a vocal coach or a vocal teacher or a voice specialist, a speech therapist who will help you, guide you through on how to use your voice effectively, who will teach you the techniques that will help to maintain your voice so you don't get to crack your voice easily. Then, if symptoms persist, then you also need to avoid places that are polluted, that will irritate your vocal folds and vocal organs. So you need to avoid all those things. If you get to places where they smoke or pollutants, avoid them because those things too help in making your voice to crack. When you do all those things and the symptoms still persist, then you need to visit your doctor. You need to visit an ENT doctor or a voice health specialist who will guide you on what you could do or to check if there's a problem that needs urgent treatment in your voice. Follow for more tips